PlayStation 4 and how to remove and replace your hard drive. I see these two stickers right there. Underneath those, you've got two safety screws, and you've also got two right there. I'm just gonna do these two just for posterity's sake. You can do this. When you do this, you can try it with a little bit of use of a hairdryer, so that it loosens up the adhesive. But I'm just going to use a utility knife. Just peel that off. Okay. Torque there. I'm just going to off with the tweezers. Okay. See this just there, and I'm going to place it there because I'm going to use it after. Do the same. This one. Place that back there. Now to remove these, you can see right there, it's I think that's a hexa screw, but it's got a safety pin in the middle of it. Now they do this so that the standard screwdrivers don't work, and you have to apply a special one. You can get around this by using a flathead, going through the corners just there, by very carefully undoing it. Okay, now you've seen me do that. I'm just gonna this one itself. Okay. There are also two screws underneath these stickers, but you don't need to worry about that for now. Now, what I do is I simply push off against this, holding the sides and pushing out with my thumbs. Okay. And you lift up that. And this one's quite dusty. You don't have to worry about these screws, and these two screws cover the rest of the chassis. All you need to do is grab a standard Phillips head screwdriver and unscrew this large one there. And you use this access point, pull it out, and you have the hard drive. Now this one is 500 gigs, but you can upgrade it to whatever storage you want and simply slide it back in. If you need any assistance or help, just don't worry to contact us at the number right there. We're Gadgets World. If we can't fix it, no one can.